Alright guys, tonight on Garage Time, just giving you a little, I guess, insight to a tiny little product that could help, well, save the day. If you're in the Volkswagen community, you know someone or it's happened to you where you've had your shift coupler break, let you down. The old ones, let's face it, they're getting really old, they're getting brittle. The new ones aren't made the way they used to. So anyhow, I came across this. Okay, so I bought this one from Ron Lummus Racing. It's billet aluminum. It's solid. There's no rubber joined together. Two pieces of metal fused to a piece of rubber. It's solid. I'm gonna give it a shot. I've had this one. I'm gonna say I've had this for 2 years, but the problem with this part is, well, you either have to have the shifter out or the tranny out to expand your shifter linkage to fit it in. So right now the gear shift is out. Easily push the rod up and install it. So while I was digging through parts for the Subaru conversion, I found it. I'm gonna get it installed now, but I thought it was, I guess, a good opportunity to point out to you guys that this is out there. If you have had issues, know anyone with issues, maybe this is for you. I have read forums and some people do have concerns. The rubber was there to isolate vibration. People I know who have installed this say there isn't any vibration until I get it installed, until I run it. I can't comment on that yet. Maybe you have one. You can comment below, let us know. However, a little vibration in my stick shift is better than being stuck on the side of the road. That's my opinion. I'm gonna get this installed. Sean's gonna follow me over there and we're gonna remove the old one. All right, so here's the old one here. It's obviously right on the end of your transmission there. I've already loosened one screw, took off the boot. These have the square head, the wire. I've removed the roll wire as well, but you know, it had the wire wrapped around so it could not come loose and fall out. Still catching. All right. It was hitting on the sheet metal. Oh, it's still gonna be. There you go. All right, so maybe we'll come to better light. So obviously this one was still in working order, but they have been known to shear apart while you are on the road and usually far away from your house. So I'm gonna put that one there. Take our solid billet one and put it in place. All right, so we lined up the back, tighten that up. I'm gonna take this nut off. I'm gonna put a dab of Loctite on before I tighten that up. The jam nut there. But on this side, there's supposed to be a rubber boot. So I'm going to, and that just keeps dirt and crap out of the shaft. There's actually a shaft that the shifter rod goes through in the underbody of the bus here. So just to keep that clean, crap out of it. Okay, so with my boot on there, we are going to push the shaft back into the coupling and then obviously tighten this up and put Loctite there. Okay, so we had to put the camera down for a sec. Sean pushed it through while I had held rubber grommet, but now you can see it's ready to line up. And that should be good there. Yeah, you could feel it grab in the right spot. So crank that tight. Okay, and then like I said, I'm gonna I know I don't really need the Loctite, but these jam nuts should work well. But I'm just gonna put a dab on. Just Just put a little dab on each. One. And tighten these on. And that should be, you're turning it into a solid connection, so should not have any problems there. So we'll add a link down below if you're interested in buying one of these. I know they also make billet ones for the Beetles as well. So the one under the back seat in your Beetle, you can get that one from them as well. So if it's something you're interested in, check it out. All right, guys, so that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out our store. Maybe buy us a coffee. We've always got merch. We've got new products coming out. Bus eyes are back in stock. We like to keep these in stock. Angry Eyes are a top seller. And don't forget, any money we make on this channel, and we are trying to actually make some money on this channel, is going right back into the project. So anything we are buying, we are filming, we are showing you, we're giving you our honest opinion. So check it out. Help us out. Check out the store. Get some stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you out there.